we remember the Tamil genocide. It's been 11 years since the murder of over 160,000 Tamils in Sri Lanka, and justice still has not been done. On this day, we remember the innocent, the men, women and children who were killed for no other reason but because of their ethnic Tamil background, their religion, their culture. The international community must do it not only for the families and for the victims of the genocide, but for all of humanity.
Hello everyone. Today I'm not going to talk about organic, but today there is a special topic that I'm going to talk about, which is some lunatic from Australia called McDermott has been talking about a Tamil genocide happening 12 years back in Sri Lanka, which is, I think, absolutely disgraceful speech by this particular MP, so-called MP from New South Wales. And what he was talking about is Sri Lankan armed forces purposely killed 180,000 Tamil innocent people. But this particular person didn't know the real facts behind this whole incident. In 2009, Sri Lankan armed forces, really speaking, they have safeguarded the Tamil community, innocent Tamil community, who have been used as a shield by the most dangerous terrorist organization called LTTE at that time under the leadership of Prabhakaran. Finally, Sri Lankan armed forces have rescued more than 80% of such innocent people. Only few people have died just because not on the side from the Sri Lankan army or the Sri Lankan forces. It is just because the things that they have initiated by the LTT, they purposely killed these innocent people to show that the Sri Lankan army or the Sri Lankan armed forces have killed them. So these real factors being identified by so many professors who are intellectuals who are involved in this investigation. Some professors from even the UN appointed some committees have proven that the Sri Lankan army hasn't killed this kind of people, and even during that last moment only 7,500 were killed. That is not belongs to the Sri Lankan army, that is actually during the war, just because LTT has used these innocent people as a shield. I really don't understand why this Western world and this Australian man called McDermott is talking about like this. And still, the people who are living by earning from the innocent Tamil expats who are living all over the world, called diaspora, Tamil diaspora, is creating this thing in the world. That is a totally wrong expression that is trying to create against our motherland. And I'm wondering why this McDermott is talking about our wars, it's not a civil war actually, it's a war against terrorism. Sri Lankan army is the only army in the world who has eradicated terrorism from a country, even though we are a small nation. But I really don't understand why people like McDermott, after 11 years coming back and still pointing fingers on us. Whereas we all know these days about George Floyd's death in America, which is purely racism. And McDermott is wagging the tail in front of America and come and finger point us just because we are a small nation. And he should understand that even though we are a small nation, we are bigger than in our mindset, in our mechanisms, in our armed forces, the humanitarian grounds and the things that they do, even for COVID-19. These people in the world should understand our level. Even though we are a developing country as yet, but we are much better than the developed countries in that context. Thank you.